Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure the Beats have enough charge. Low battery interferes with pairing, so charge to at least 20%. Next, press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds until the LED flashes, which puts the Solo 3 in pairing mode. On your phone, open Settings and turn Bluetooth on. Once scanning, stay on that screen so you can select the device. Doing these steps now avoids delays and ensures the phone sees the headphones immediately. Once the Solo 3 is flashing and your phone is scanning, look for Beat Solo 3 in the Available Devices list and tap it to connect. If a prompt appears, accept pairing. Rarely you might be asked for a PIN, so try 0000 if needed. After the link is established, make sure your phone routes audio to the Beats by selecting them as the active audio device in Quick Settings or the Bluetooth menu. This confirms both control and media audio will come through the headphones. You should now play music or a video to confirm the connection. Listen for clear audio and test volume buttons. If they don't work, reselect the Beats in Bluetooth settings. Once done, adjust equalizer or app audio levels to refine sound. If the headphones fail to connect, toggle Bluetooth off and on, or reboot your phone to clear a hung stack. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset the Solo 3 by holding the power button for about 10 seconds. This clears pairing and lets you start fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.